Hello dear student and dear friend, how are you? I'm Abdullah Zahid and you're watching Grammar Point. So in today's lectures I'm going to teach you time in English, how you can say different time in English, okay? So this is the simplest diagram of what? Of watch. Hope that you know the difference between watch and clock. This is what? This is clock because it also shows the time but small in size, and watch is large in size. So this is the simplest diagram of watch. Now I show you how you can say different time in this watch. Okay, so now first of all, this is the 12-hour watch. We know that we have 24 hours in the whole day. So this point 12, I underline 3, 6, 9. These are the most important point in this watch. Okay, now this point is called o'clock. O'clock means of this clock. This point is called quarter past. QUARTERPAST, quarter past. And now this point is called half past. Half past, okay? And similarly, this point is called quarter to. Quarter to, okay? Now coming to the main point, okay? Suppose if both needles, okay, you know needles, okay, like this, okay, if both the needles, the large and the small needles, okay, is on this point, if both the needles large and small is on this point, so what we can say, it would be like this, 12:00. Okay, so what we can say, it's 12 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. Okay, if the small needle is on 12 but the large needle is on what? Is on 1. So what we can say this, it would be like this, 12, okay, 01. So it would be called 12, okay, 5 past 12. From this point to this it is 5, from this to this it is 10, from this point to this 15, 20, 25, 30. You know that, okay? So if the small needle is on 12 and the large needle is on 1, so it means it is 5 past 12. Okay, it is 5 past 12. Similarly, if the small needle is on the same point 12, okay, but the large needle is on 2, so what we can say this, we can say 10 past 12. 10 past 12, okay. Similarly, if the small needle is on the 12 but the large needle is on this one, 3, so it would be like this, okay. And we can say quarter past, not 15 past, okay. This is the point. If the small needle is on 12 and the large needle of this watch is on 3, so it, what we can say, quarter past 12. So we can say quarter past 12. Similarly, if the small needle is on the same point but the large needle is on what? On 4, so we can say it would be like this, 04, and we can say 20 past 12. 20 past 12, okay. Similarly, at this point the large needle is on 5 and the small needle is on 12, so we can say 25 past what? 12. Now if both point is in the same direction, mean parallel, okay, anti-parallel, okay, like this, one is on the upper position and the second one is on the lower position. So if the small needle is on 12 and the large needle is on 6, so now this is our main point. It would be said half past to 12. Half past 12, okay, half past 12. So this is what? Half past 12. Now you know from this point, from 12 to 6, okay, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we say past, okay, we see past. Now after this point, say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay, even to 12, we don't say past, okay. What we can say, I will show you. Hope that you get this point. It is 12 o'clock when both the needles is on this point. if the small needle is on this point, large on this, so we can say pi past 12. Similarly, if the small is on the same point but the large one is on this point, so we can say 10 past 12. Similarly, if the large one is on this point but the small one is on the same, so we can say quarter past 12. Similarly, if the large point needle is on this point, so we can say 20 past 12. And similarly 25 past 12 and half past 12. Okay, now what will be the situation if the small point needle is on the same point but the large needle turn to 7? Now like this, so we can say it would be like this, 12:07. So we can say it would be what? It would be 25 to 12. It would be what? 25 to what? 12. So now after this point, after this 6 1 7 8 9 10 11, we can say 2. Okay, so what we call this time, actually this time 12:07 is actually 12:25. You know that. Okay, so it means it is 25 to 12. Okay, if the small point is on the same, needle is on the same position but the large one is on this one, so we can say 20 to 12. It's 20 to 12. Similarly, if it is on this point, so we can say quarter to 12. Okay, if the large needle is on this point, so we can say it's quarter to 12. Similarly, if it is on this point, so we can say it is 10 to 12, and it is again on this point, so we can say it is what? It is 5 to 12, and again it is 12. So this is a cyclic chain. Hope that you get it.